How to install apps without payment method on Android. First of all, you simply need to have to remove existing payment method. To do that, open Google Play Store on your device. Now simply access Profile at top right and tap on Payment and Subscription option from the menu. Now navigate to Payment Methods. If you have a payment method saved, you have to select it and tap Remove. This ensures that no payment method is linked to your account. Now, when you download free apps, Google Play doesn't require any payment information. You can simply search for your app and tap Install and enjoy. If the Google Play Store still requires a payment method, you can create a new Google account without linking a payment method. To do that, you need to exit from Google Play Store, navigate to your device settings. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen. Now choose Users and Account. And you need to tap on Add Account at the bottom, and here you can easily skip payment information and set up your account. By doing so, you will successfully install applications without a payment method on Android. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.